Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade cryptocurrency on Bybit and make a consistent profit every 10 minutes. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account. If you do not have any, I'll drop a link at the description section so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, but the first thing you just need to do before that, you just first need to subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Like my videos and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can get value from this amazing content. So if you enter your Bybit, so we're gonna go into trace a coin that we want to trade now. You can either go to the hot to look at the hot derivatives, but I'm not advising you to trade derivative right now because the market is actually going through recessions. Okay, and if you want to trade derivative now, look for the ones that will pay you in negative. That is, you're gonna go into sell, trade on sell. Okay, so we're gonna go into look at it from the new coin. Look at this strategy carefully because this strategy is going to be useful for you at this dangerous time in the crypto markets. Alright, so we're going to go down carefully. I would prefer to go with this Trump coin. And this Trump coin, if you want to trade it like right now, if you want to do derivatives, you can just go on and trade on sale because it will be declining in its own time. So here is the coin. One thing you must understand is that you must first check very carefully the 24 hours or 15 minutes of this very coin. How has it been doing? Okay, now we're currently looking at the 15 minutes of this very coin. Now look at where it has been trading. This coin has been trading between 16.3 to 18.1. Alright, these are some of those things you must take note. It has been trading between what? 16.3 to what? To 18.1. Okay, right? Okay, let's assume that you bought this coin at this 16.320 and you sell this coin at this very volume 18.123. All right, you'll be in a good profit. So now you look at this very circle. Okay, the interval between this place and this place is what should always be a problem. Okay, so that you'll be able to make money every 15 minutes or every 10 minutes. So now look at it carefully. Now look at the time here. We're going to look at the time here and the time here. Okay, the lowest to the top. You can see this is what we're going to look at. So looking at the time now, we're going to click on here. If we click on this down, it's showing us that this begins at exactly what? At February around 4. Okay, no, sorry, February 4th. This begins February 4th around 10. So that is what it is. So if you come up to this 18.6, so you're going to look at this 18.6 and see what time exactly this one ended. Okay, it was around what? Around 15:30, right? It's around 15:30. Around 15:30, which is around 3:30. Okay, could this be AM or PM? So it depends on when exactly you made your trade. So from this place to this place now, that is from 4 p.m. Let's say from 4 p.m. or 4 a.m. to 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. You can see there are a lot of few journey of hours there, but the profit was made. The profit was seriously made. Okay, let's assume that. Let's go to the trade. Let's assume that you bought this when it was 16. You see, you bought this when it was 16.9, right? Okay, you bought this when it was 16.3. Okay, let's go to 16.3. And one thing you must understand is that if you're trading much, you will get a lot of profit. So you trading much is very good for you. So let's just say we use 100 USDT here. Okay, using 100 USDT here, and Using 100 USDT here, you can look at it carefully. Using 100 USDT here, you made how many Trump coin? You made 6.12 Trump coin, and you use a total volume of 100 USDT here. Okay, at a total price of 16.3. Now look at it carefully. Now this very trade has been turned to what? Has been turned to 17.6. No, forget about this current trade. Let's look at what was there. 18 point something. 18 is turned to what? To 18.9. You cannot see if this actually turned to 18.9. How much do you make in return? This has automatically turned to 50. Your 6 Trump purchase is still here, but the value has increased. So how much will you make? You make 15 USDT. Look at this strategy carefully. This is a calculation you do with your pure brain. You don't need to involve any other person. Do this calculation carefully yourself. Look at this trade, how often or how fast has it been going up and down, and the rest of it. Okay, now you made 15 USDT. That is a very cool profit. So imagine you do this times 3 or times 10 a day. How much will you make? You make over 100. You make over 100 USDT. All right. So if you make, let's quickly look at my. So looking at my calculator, we have 100 USDT in trading. We have 100 USDT in trading. Okay, and we made 120. We made 115. That's 115. 115 now minus 100. How much is that? 15. We made 15 USDT. Okay, 15 USDT now multiplied by, maybe we'll do it 5 times a day. That is 75 USDT. Okay, 75 USDT now multiplied by the current market rates, which is 1,600. That's 120,000. Just in what? Just in few minutes or in few hours. So what are you? All you just is to just quickly dive into this. You cannot. It must not compulsory you do this on Trump coin. You can look at any other coin of your choice and make these decisions, or make your research clearly so that you can purely understand how it works. Then you can go on to make profit for yourself. So watch this video carefully. If you do have any question, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, sorry that this video is a bit noisy, sorry about that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class.